It put me in another level. I think I started from some point, didn't have anything in my portfolio as a character artist. Maybe my first character, I was satisfied on some point, but my second character was amazing. My name is Medhat Sheren. I am 28 years old from Egypt. I recently work as a 3D freelance 3D assets and location modeler. How to surface vehicles, assets, props, everything like this. I have a big passion for heroes and anime characters and collectibles since I was a kid. His name is Jordan. I found it in Pinterest when I was searching. But I love him because he has something to tell. He has a story. You can tell from how he looks. He wants to be a hero. He has an ancient mask on his head. You can say he gives him a power to fight demons or something like that. There were a lot of challenges out there in every stage, but the most important thing is how to pose and make him more appeal, give him the identity to be how it looks, to match the amazing concept. Because when you translate it 2D concept to 3D, it will be hard to catch the likeness of this 2D concept. Just work, do a lot of work and post it and share it with instructor and say, oh, there are a lot of adjustments. Let's do it again. I was looking for a lot of things like knowledge, how professional artists like Marlon deal with the concept, how to translate it from 2D to 3D, and besides other stuff like his tips and tricks and his workflow, his pipeline. It will make your life easier to make a character, make you more organized. It will make you move faster and your progress will be better. First of all, the videos that Marlon's made were amazing. Easy to follow, so clear. Instructor feedback was so solid. You should give all your attention to this course. Watch and learn, put what you learn in your character, share it with others and get feedback and do a lot of adjustment and keep pushing till the end. It's really good for you to make you grow in your career. I want to work in big studios out there like Marvel, Disney, Pixar, something like these studios. But the quality there is so high. So you keep doing and keep working on yourself to match this level. This field is so competitive. You should work on yourself because there are a lot of amazing people out there. If you have a possibility to join this course, just do it, because even if you didn't have an experience on character modeling, you will do one from scratch. And if you have a little experience about character modeling, it will push your boundaries.